I'm Simon here with Z1 Offroad, and today we've got a quick and easy install for you guys. We're going to be putting these ditch light brackets on our A60 Titan, and along with that we're going to put these Nismo lights on there. They've got a yellow Lamin-X film that'll help match the rest of the lights on there, and it should look pretty cool once we got it all installed, so we'll get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take the two M8 nuts off of the hood hinge. So the hood should stay in place, but just to be safe, it's good to have a friend around in case you need help holding the hood up. All right, so I've got my hand here. I'm just keeping this in place so the hood doesn't fall out of the hinge. Then we'll go ahead and take our ditch light bracket, and all we're gonna do is stick it over the studs. We're gonna pull it up flush against the contour of the hood right here, and then go ahead and put those nuts back on. All right, so we've got our ditch light bracket installed. We're gonna repeat that exact same process for the other side. And then once we got it all tidied up, we'll put the lights on and we should be good to go. All right, so we've got our lights mounted. We're just gonna go ahead and route the wire down under the hood hinge and be real careful not to let it get pinched in the hinge. We've got the rest of the harness already routed, so once we've got that done, we'll plug it up and we should be good to go. All right, so you can see we've got our lights installed. Turned out pretty good. So if you want to set it like these for your truck, check out z1offroad.com.